Hello everyone, this is Privesh, Chauhan, founder of INDO-GERMAN Education, your German language mentor. And today I am here with my student Jatin Mulani, and he is going to apply for his German student visa super soon. And this video is something that's specially dedicated to Jatin Mulani, and we will be asking him in German language that why he would like to study in Germany, warum möchten Sie in Deutschland studieren. Now, the major thing, let me introduce myself. This is Privesh here, your founder of INDO-GERMAN Education. And secondly, I have completed my German language mentorship program from Berlin. After completing it from Berlin, I have taught Indians and Pakistani students in Berlin, Nordhausen, Frankfurt, Dortmund, Cottbus. These are the places where I have taught Indians and Pakistani students German language in Germany via my German language mentorship program online, which was done since lockdown. And directly talking about, we have online live lectures, recorded courses, frequently asked questions superset. I have my own handmade notes which student uses to clear their Goethe A1, A2, B1 and B2 examinations, which you can find it on my website ndoGermanprime.com. And secondly, I have my own free recorded course, which again you can find it on ndoGermanprime.com's website, where I have uploaded the complete recorded course for free. Okay, so here with me is Jatin Mulani. So Jatin, wie geht es Ihnen?
Ich bin gut und Sie?
Mir geht es auch gut, danke. Jatin, warum möchten Sie in Deutschland studieren?
Ich habe Deutschland immer als mein Traumland zum Studieren angesehen. Nicht wegen seiner kostenlosen Bildung, sondern wegen seiner weltbekannten Universitäten und Bildungsqualität. Ein Studium in Deutschland ist eine großartige Möglichkeit, auf dem internationalen Markt Fuß zu fassen, wobei in Deutschland erworbener Abschluss auch in Unternehmen einen guten Ruf genießen. Im Vergleich zu anderen Ländern wie Großbritannien, den USA und Kanada sind die Lebenshaltungskosten in Deutschland wirklich erschwinglich. Ich persönlich habe das Gefühl, dass ich meine Ausbildung verbessern und einige außergewöhnliche Fähigkeiten entwickeln kann, während ich in Deutschland studiere. Deutschland bietet auch einen guten Ruf genießen. Deutschland bietet auch ist eine großartige Gelegenheit für einen internationalen Studenten, der sich entwickeln und seine Vermögen für seine glänzende Zukunft schaffen kann. Ich möchte meine Bachelor in Deutschland absolvieren.
Okay, toll, prima. Okay, so here it was his story of studying his bachelor's in Germany, why he would like to study his bachelor's in Germany. And secondly, see what really happens right away. Students are not able to get their Goethe examination dates because the seats get full super easily. So that's the reason at the end of the complete course of German A1, German A2, German B1 or B2, we conduct the online examination, and I personally check the paper. We are having two faculties who check the paper, and we check it completely like how Goethe faculties will be checking up your paper. So we have also conducted his examination at INDO-GERMAN Education for the same. Later he will be moving to Germany, and secondly the main part is he has completed his A1, A2, B1, B2 at INDO-GERMAN Education. He has done offline classes at INDO-GERMAN Education, and secondly he has also joined online classes, both online and offline both classes. And later on he will be also moving to Germany. He will be doing his German language in Germany, and later on, after completing his German language in Germany, he will be writing up his Aufnahmeprüfung. And currently for the Aufnahmeprüfung, which is Student College Entrance Examination, is also solving up the Aufnahmeprüfung sample papers which I sent you. Okay, so this was his story, and we'll be bringing up more students for same. And do subscribe the channel, and see you soon in the next videos.